Hi friends, this is Asneya and today we are talking about musical healing. So I'm here available for you. Let's join hand together and talk about music. And music is all about you, that how you create your vibrations. आप सब म्यूज़िक जानते हैं, आप सब म्यूज़िक को हर समय पहचानते हैं कि म्यूज़िक कितना आपको हील करता है. सो आई विल वेट सो दैट ऑल ऑफ यू कैन जॉइन इन एंड देन वी कैन डिस्कस मोर अबाउट यू. म्यूज़िक is all about you. So just send me a thumbs up if you are here so that we can start talking about it and we can invite all our friends together. You can share this video with all your friends and you can create a watch party as well. So let's start. This is the sound. You know, music is natural healer. It has the power to heal your emotions. आपको पता है, जब आप बैठे होते हैं, कभी आपका कुछ भी थॉट ना चल रहा हो पर आप कोई ऐसा सॉन्ग लगा लेते हैं, कोई ऐसे शब्द लगा लेते हैं जिसमें थोड़ा थोड़ा म्यूज़िक चल रहा हो, तो आपको महसूस होगा कि लाइफ कितनी चेंज हो गई है. एंड द साउंड ऑफ म्यूज़िक वो आपके कहीं अनछुए तारों को छू देती है और वो जब अनछुए तार छू जाते हैं, न जाने कौन से आपके इमोशंस हैं जो बह जाते हैं. सो आज हम म्यूज़िकल थेरेपी में आपको अननोइंगली ऐसे टच करेंगे वो वाले इमोशंस जो शायद आप कभी भूले बैठे थे. And we will heal it. That's the purpose of this musical healing. So I'll show you by the time. These are the Tibetan ball which I'm using, and what you need to do is you just need to imagine and close your eyes if you can, and you can just think that how you can silently enjoy yourself, how you can beautifully connect with your subconscious mind. आपने सबसे सुना होगा कि हम जो सोचते हैं वो हो जाता है, पर हमें ये ध्यान रखना है कि जो हम सोच रहे हैं वो हम क्या सोच रहे हैं. सो आज से हमने ये सोचना है कि हर पल जहाँ तक हो सके आप अपने आप के लिए एक इमेजिन करोगे अपनी दुनिया जहाँ आप सुख, शांति और अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी निभाते हुए संतुष्टि से रह रहे हो. ठीक है. सो अब आप सब लोग आए हैं, ऑनलाइन आए हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट इट अप एंड लेट्स थिंक दैट हाउ वी कैन ब्यूटिफुली क्रिएट द म्यूजिक. सो जस्ट रिलैक्स, ब्रीद इन and slowly breathe out. Think about a moment when you were thinking that how you can create the vibrations. Just breathe in, breathe out. Last time, breathe out. Now, अब आंखें बंद कर लेंगे. आंखें बंद करके आपने सोचना है, आप बिल्कुल शांत हो. आपकी जो भी विचार आपके दिमाग में आ रहे हैं उनको आने दीजिए. कुछ भी हो सकते हैं वो, आज हम सिर्फ उनको महसूस करेंगे, राइट। सो आप सब लोग जो महसूस करना चाहते हैं, आप किसी को याद करना चाहते हैं, आप अपने दिल की गहराइयों से छू के वो अनछुए पल जीना चाहते हैं और उसे कंप्लीटली रिजॉल्व करना चाहते हैं, राइट। कितने लोगों को होगा कि हमारे इमोशंस जब हम हेवी हो जाते हैं, हमें समझ नहीं आता कि हम क्या करें। You can work about it, right? So let's start. Just close your eyes. Breathe in once again. Think about आपके जो भी विचार आ रहे हैं, नाक से सांस लेते रहिए और छोड़ते रहिए, पर पूरा ध्यान म्यूजिक की तरफ रखेंगे। एक एक बीट जो आपके सबकॉन्शियस में जा रही है, आपने ये सोचना है कि एक एक ध्वनि जो आपके मस्तिष्क में जा रही है वो आपके मस्तिष्क को क्लीन कर रही है, बिल्कुल साफ कर रही है। आपके पूरे जो कभी घाव लगे थे उनको पूरी तरह से सफाई कर रही है, और जिनसे आप प्यार करना चाह रहे हैं आपका प्यार बढ़ रहा है। सो वी विल थिंक पॉजिटिव, वी विल क्रिएट द पॉजिटिव वाइब्स। ब्रीथ इन, let's wait, relax. Now I will be speaking something. You just need to focus on your own mind and keep saying, I love and accept myself completely. Just allow yourself, I love and accept myself completely. I love and accept myself completely. And I love and accept completely. I love and accept myself 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 completely. And be thankful to yourself. I'm thankful for everyone in my life. I'm thankful to each and every person in my life. I'm thankful to all the emotions which I had been holding. Thank you so much. Hi friends, this is Asneha and I welcome all of you here for being with me. So tell me, how are you feeling? So what are the questions you have? Please write down all your questions, that what you want to know, that how musical healing can help you, how these music can actually create the magical you. So whatever you want to speak or you want to have any questions, please come up and let me know that how can I give you more wisdom about music. I started my journey of music when I was so young. I was just a little child, but I was not knowing that I love music and I can create music. When I did my past life regression in 2010, I got into astrology, vastu, a lot of things, but then I knew that if you are highly positive, if you can think something better in your life, if you can find out that how you can make things better, you can actually create life. But if you are not being able to find out that how the things will work, you may suffer in your life, right? So I started my journey with different modalities. So I'm an astrologer, I'm an NLP practitioner, I am also a Reiki grandmaster. I started my institute in 2009. Then slowly and gradually, with all your love and guidance, I was just growing day by day. And I have found when you meditate, your subconscious mind gets charged up. और जब आपका सबकॉन्शियस माइंड चार्ज अप हो जाता है, तब आपको बहुत सारी एनर्जी मिलती है. Hi Kashish, how are you? Please write your questions. We will be able to tell you. Yes, we have peace within us, Kashish. But हम लोग क्या करते हैं? हम सोचते हैं like the housewife. We have so many housewives here. We have the professional ladies also here in the group. We have young children also there in the group. Young generations of new women as well. So we have different issues coming, right? But if you are peaceful with your mind, if your mind is always in the present moment, then you don't need to distract. You can actually create peace within you. That's the reason जितने भी बड़े बड़े ज्ञानी लोग हुए हैं, उन्होंने यही कहा है कि आपके पास 24 घंटा होता है. 24 घंटे का at least 10% you should spend with yourself. You can do walk, you can do yoga, you can do positive thinking, you can do affirmation, you can read a beautiful book, and actually you just need to pamper yourself, right? So how many of you are agree with me that you shouldn't wait for someone else to pamper you and you should pamper your own self? If you agree with this, please send me a written message, pamper, and then make sure that you always pamper yourself. So I love myself. This is the beautiful sentence which can actually create love around you, because you will have love within you. Isn't it beautiful? These sounds actually go straight in your beta alpha level, and actually it gives you peace. No worries, Radhika, so don't worry, we have just started. You can see the recording later, and you can all get all the musical healing on my YouTube channel as well, the Asneha Show. The best part is start loving yourself before somebody else let you know that look, I love you. Tell yourself in the mirror, like this is a phone in front of me and I'm telling you I love you all. But just to have energy, I'm feeling goosebumps right now if I could show you. But every day give a promise to yourself. Look into the mirror and tell yourself, I love you. Can you all do this? If you have a mirror with you, just see and say, I love you. I love you. Can you just do this? जैसे छोटे छोटे बच्चे होते हैं ना, हमारे पास आके कहते हैं मम्मा I love you, कहते हैं ना, and we feel so happy. क्या जादू है इन 3-4 शब्दों में? I love you, I miss you, I need you. These are the powerful words. These are the energy charger. Trust me, I have been magically helping people with these small tips. Rather than thinking about big things, move little a bit and tell yourself, I love myself. If you really got excited about it, please write in the comment, I love myself. I openly tell the universe, I love myself. I love myself. So we will just keep on writing every moment, I love myself. I love myself. Hi Kashish, hi Bhavna, how are you? Please come in. I would love to see you. Yes, thank you so much. I love myself. Just write in the comment. It's not that completely agree. I respect your, yes, This is good. Just write it. I love myself. And speak it out. And let's regularly do that. Anytime if you feel like that, yes, after every week or after every 15 days we need a dose, I'm all there for you. Trust me. Trust me. If I'm speaking something, I just speak with my internal soul. I just feel that this is the moment we need to express ourselves. This life which we have taken, it's not that one more life in our journey. We want to create the momentum here so that once we go back, we will be filled with love. We will be filled with care. We will be filled with happiness. Can you just feel the last moment of your life and you feeling, I'm so happy. I have lived my complete life with completeness. Where this completeness will come? This will come when you have completely fallen in love with your own self. Right? Yes, if you agree, please send me a thumbs up as well, a heart or anything, so that I will feel excited, so that I will have love. Right? So let's do it. Let's share it, that how we can create the love. So now let's create love within ourselves, right? So close your eyes. I'm just doing one more meditation with music, and do write me that how are you feeling after doing this. It's a very small and very easy. You can do yourself as well. You can play anything, any music thing. If you have something like, believe me, be creative. और कुछ नहीं तो 3-4 डोंगे लेके बैठ जाओ and then start playing. True. Oh, thank you so much. Just now close your eyes and tell yourself completely, I am a power. I am power, and my power is within me. My power is love. I love myself powerfully. Myself. Move yourself completely. Yourself. I'm so beautiful. I love myself. I love myself. And relax. I know this is a time you must be feeling shaky, and this is so powerful way to express, let your inner self know that you are the most amazing person of the world. Relax a bit. Relax yourself. Now once you feel fine, let me know how is your experience. How are you feeling? Take your own time. I know this is so early to ask you your experience. I'm sure you must be feeling free. So you can write down if you really like it. Just write down. Amazing music. Yes. Thank you so much, Radhika, for writing. And trust me, guys, you can play it again and again and really enjoy it. This is a very easiest way of letting your subconscious know that how important you are and how powerfully you can create the momentum inside you. You can create your own dreams to reality as well as to create your destiny. This is the way that how we help out and give you inner peace, and a peaceful mind can create magics in your life. You can really build the empire for yourself if you are internally happy. Isn't it? How many of you are agree with me? Yeah, thank you so much, Kashish, that you really liked. I'm really feeling, yes, I also felt so many goosebumps, Radhika, if I'm speaking the right name, Radhika. Wow, thank you so much for your compliment. Thank you. So how did you like? How many of you are really fallen in love with your own self? Just write me, fallen in love. How many of you really truthfully fallen in love? और ऐसा कभी हुआ कि आप पहले भी fall in love थे अपने साथ or you just fallen in love? Just let me know. Just fallen in love. Or if you had already been doing that, then amazing. Now you are stepping on the next step, right? Wow. I'm so happy. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. This name is Maria. Yeah, thank you so much, Maria, for appreciating that you really agree with these thoughts. Wow, that's amazing. You know, the truth one. Who is the truthful for you? If we are not truthful for ourselves, then who can be truthful? Right? Yes, so amazing. Wow, that's so amazing. Please be regular. We keep doing live with these music, and you can please join on our YouTube channel, which is anywhere you will be able to find out all the music and start doing. There is a link I have already given in the group. Please see that and play that every day. That's a meditation. Peaceful mind can create abundance in your life. End of the day, everybody wants to have love. You know, कितने लोग हैं जो सबसे पहले top priorities पे आपकी life में क्या क्या चीज़ें आती हैं? That I want to be loved, I want to have lot of care for everyone, that सब कोई मेरा care करे. जब कोई मेरी care नहीं करेगा तो मैं कैसे care करूँगी सबकी? और being a woman, you must love yourself as well. Because अगर आपके पास energy है तो आप घर के सभी सदस्यों को बहुत प्यार दे सकते हो. पर अगर आप अपने आप को ही नहीं प्यार कर रहे, आप सोचते रहोगे कि काश कोई मुझे भी पूछ ले, then you will not be able to do justice with yourself. I used to be the same. मैं भी ऐसी होती थी, सबके लिए खाना बना दिया, रात लास्ट में कुछ बचा तो खा लिया, नहीं तो कोई बात नहीं. So then I slowly and gradually found that अगर आप बाय प्लेन कहीं जा रहे हैं, प्लेन में आपको एयर होस्टेस क्या सिखाती है? सबसे पहले आप अपने नाक के ऊपर ऑक्सीजन लगाइएगा, फिर दूसरों की मदद कीजिएगा. Isn't it beautiful? That's what I am teaching you. Just start loving yourself first and then love others. I'm not stopping to love others, because if you have something, then only you can give to others. If I am hungry and I'm thinking that how I'm so drained with energy, I can't do anything, you'll not be able to love. Isn't it? You'll not be able to cook. So at least have something for yourself. Have a banana, have a mango, have some fruit, and then when you feel that yes, I'm filled now I can spare my time cooking and doing something, do that. डू नॉट वेट दैट सब लोग खा लेंगे तो ही मैं खाऊंगी. Look guys, you need to take rest with yourself as well. You need to take care of your own self as well. So start taking care of you. You are the most precious soul of the universe. Trust me, I'm talking only with you. So you need to think about it. कि मैं दुनिया की सबसे प्यारी लड़की हूँ, लेडी हूँ, मैं दुनिया की सबसे अच्छी आत्मा हूँ. And see the magic. And tell yourself, I love myself. I'm fallen in love. Feel the goosebumps. I'm feeling so many goosebumps. Hi Palak, how are you? We were waiting for you. Welcome Bhavna. Of love. Feel that how blessings are falling on you. कभी आपने महसूस किया है सूर्य हमसे कुछ चार्ज नहीं लेता, सोलर एनर्जी भी हम उससे बना लेते हैं एंड वी कैन डू सो मच. इट्स अनकंडीशनल रिसोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी. यू नो, हमारे हंसने में कोई पैसा नहीं लगता, पर ट्रस्ट मी, अगर आप एक हंसी सामने देते हो और आपके सामने 10 लोग खड़े हैं, आपको कितनी हंसी वापस मिल रही है, कितनी ब्लेसिंग आपको मिल रही है 10 लोग की. अगर मैं स्टेज पे हूँ और मैं यहाँ से हंसती हूँ और वहाँ 5000 लोग खड़े हैं, तो 5000 मेरे को देख के हंस रहे हैं. सो आई एम गेटिंग सो मच ऑफ एनर्जीज. डू यू अग्री विद मी? So start looking to the nature like that. Nature is the real thing. I hope you can hear me easily, is it? You know, the power is there within us. We just need to evaluate. We just need to be a little more creative to find out that how beautifully can we do it. So this music, I really got touched. This came to me automatically when I was meditating, and my name also came in my meditation. This name is Asneya, and we really found it that it is so beautiful. The meaning of Asneya was new desire. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम पुरानी चीज़ों में उलझ के रह जाते हैं. हमें अब खुलना है, पुरानी चीज़ों को हमें निकाल के दूर करना है. कभी आपने वो घुमाने वाला फ़ोन अभी भी यूज़ करते हो? आप लोग नहीं करते. अब सिर्फ टच आ गया है, टच से तो सिर्फ स्पीक करो एंड देन यू कैन गेट कनेक्टेड. दैट वे यू नीड टू लेट गो योर ओल्ड, योर पास्ट बैगेज. आई टुक इट. आई टुक 20 years to let go that baggage. बट अब मैं सोचती हूँ किसी को एक सेकंड भी वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए बैगेज को फेंक के आगे बढ़ने के लिए. डू नॉट एक्सपेक्ट, कभी मुर्दे चल के आपके पास वापस नहीं आ सकते. अ पर्सन हु इज़ डेड. कभी ज़रूरी नहीं होता है कि जब आत्मा निकल जाती है तो ही व्यक्ति डेड होता है. कितने हमारे रिश्ते भी ऐसे होते हैं जो हमारे लिए डेड हो चुके हैं, पर फिर भी हम सोचते रहते हैं काश ये वापस आ जाए, काश वो वापस आ जाए. जस्ट लेट देम गो. हमें जिसके साथ जितने दिन रहना है वो व्यक्ति उतने दिन ही हमारे पास रहता है. हमें जिसके साथ जितना समय बिताना है वो उतने ही समय तक रहता है. हमें यहाँ पे जो हम दुनिया में आए हैं, दिस इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ हॉस्टल जहाँ पे हमें अपने सब कर्मास करने हैं. आप जो दूसरों को दोगे वही आपको आएगा वापस. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो आपके बच्चों से ही आएगा. लाइक मैं अपने बच्चों को सर्व कर रही हूँ, ज़रूरी नहीं वो चीज़ें मेरे बच्चों से ही मेरे पास आए. जैसे मैं और सब लोगों को दे रही होती हूँ तो ज़रूरी नहीं कि वही देंगे, बट आई कैन क्रिएट विथ एवरीवन एल्स एज वेल. सो यू कैन create it with you as well. I still remember, and I really felt to share it, as everybody knows that I have a daughter also. With some past life karma, there was something that I could not take care of her, and she's still away from me, but she's always here in my heart. And my son, my little Rio, the pet. Why I'm sharing you this story is, I remember that she was just a child, 1 year and few months. I still remember the date, 5th of November 2003, that I did not have the option that what should I do, because I was on my 9th month, that should I keep the daughter with me or I should welcome the new child who is about to born. So I had to go, I had to give her to my ex-in-laws, but they said, we will not entertain you, will not. And I came back because I had to look for the new child who is about to come. I was not aware that that will be the last day, that I will not be able to meet my daughter and she'll come to know that I'm no more in the world and I'm dead and whatnot. So what happened is, I was peaceful. I was holding that. I never used to go meet her. I could never give her some gift. But still, whenever I used to get some time, pencil box और कोई अच्छी सी dress, जब भी कभी मिलती थी, I used to go and gift. With all divine grace, मेरे बेटे को लगा कि let me just go to my sister. And he started visiting her. And then he was there for 4 years. And then he told her, look, हमारी माँ भी है, मैं भी उनका बेटा हूँ, तू भी उनकी बेटी है. Then only she came to know, yes, I have a mother. Earlier, she was not thinking that she has a mother. And believe me, that 4 years when both the kids were not with me, I was serving the society. I'm sharing you my deep heart. I'm opening you my own soul, that how come I got connected with this. I started serving in Art of Living. I started serving in old age home. I started serving with the different चिल्ड्रंस. साईं बाबा मंदिर में जाके इतने बड़े बड़े कुकर में कुछ बना के लेके जाना, देना. एंड आई वाज सेइंग कि ये सब ब्लेसिंग मेरे बच्चों तक पहुँचे, कि मेरे बच्चों में वो प्यार मेरे लिए कभी आ सके कि मैं भी उनकी माँ हूँ. कोई तो दिन ऐसा आएगा. एंड आई वाज पीसफुली प्रेइंग. आई वाज पीसफुली अनकंडीशनली डूइंग दिस, बिना ये सोचे कि अगर मैं इन बच्चों को, यू नो, अंडर प्रिविलेज चिल्ड्रन एंड डिफरेंट, आई people know me by my name, that yes, she's been working. I never got this NGO done or nothing. I used to think that जो ऊपर वाला बैठा है ना, he is writing everything, all क्या मैंने किया क्या नहीं किया, so I don't need to keep a record. Let him keep the record. Why should I get worried in keeping the record? And trust me, with that unconditional thought to serve the society with love, today I can connect with my daughter. She's 18 years old. She keeps talking to me. And then my son, you just saw him, he just entered. Now he is somewhere around 17 years, and I have a pet who is just 2 years. And I really feel blessed that I have everyone. Though my daughter, she's just away, and you must have seen that feedback that she has helped me so well. That feedback is from my daughter. What a beautiful incident, that I am a therapist and I could help out. I was not knowing that why God is creating me, a therapist in me. Why am I serving the society? Why am I helping women to come and be bold and take everything on your own shoulder and fly high? क्योंकि मुझे नहीं पता था कि कोई दिन ऐसा आएगा that one day my daughter will call me up and say that सब टीचर्स कह रही है मैं फेल हो जाऊंगी 12th में, मैंने साइंस लिया है, घर में सब लोग कह रहे हैं ये पढ़ती नहीं है, फेल हो जाएगी. And trust me, this story I'm sharing for the first time. You must have not listened this story at all on my Facebook yet. When I heard this call, I called her up, her teacher, that no worries, मेरी बेटी पास हो जाएगी, आप चिंता मत करो. She asked me one question. Have you taken the custody of your daughter? I said, no, I have not taken. Then she said, please mind it, your daughter must be using you. And I was like, why? She said, because her father is very strict and he can actually help her to, you know, by scolding her to score more number. But she is asking you to give me a call. I said, ma'am, just have faith on me. I have started connecting with her. through phone, and I'll make sure that she'll perfectly perform. Trust me. After that, we work 2 hours with all that musical healing, emotional healing, every small incident which your mind is holding. You need to delete that all. Once we start deleting them, we have ample of space to perform. We have a lot of power to perform and create the new energy. And trust me, she called me up in September, I believe, September, October. And since then, March, she had an exam and she came second in her exam. She scored 73% in her medicals, and she decided that she also wants to be like mom. She took psychology after that, and she's studying in Chandigarh. And I'm really feeling blessed. Thank God I became a therapist. I did not go in depression that I am staying as a single mother taking care of my kids. I'm just asking, making a small initiative and teaching people, doing healing and earning. I was feeling, thank you God for creating me a healer. Thank you God that you have created a power in me that I could help my own daughter who is far away. जिसने ये सुना था जिंदगी में माँ तो है ही नहीं, वो तो जा चुकी, मर चुकी. एवरी सेकेंड पर्सन यूज टू टेल हर, क्या हो गया, माँ ही तो नहीं है इसके पास, बाकी तो घर में सब कुछ है. एक के पास, जिसके पास माँ नहीं होती उसके पास बचा क्या. सो व्हाई आई एम शेयरिंग दिस truthful life incident of mine is, that's the reason I have this. That's the reason. This is the power. If I can fly high with all that ups and downs of life, and I'm sure you can easily create difference in your life. So I'm all available here. You can connect me to learn all this. You can connect me for your personal things as well. And we can even request Kashish as well to create some monthly or maybe quarterly, whatever you feel like, to see me live. I'm all there to serve. Let's hold hand together and work. Isn't it beautiful? If you are really interested, just write Asneha. Asneha means new desire, right? And I'll read all the comments. Okay, Kashish, can't imagine my life without my little. Absolutely, Kashish, I can understand. It's not easy. And yesterday I was watching a movie. I don't know which movie was this. Yeah, but I felt that I still miss that 2 years old daughter. And I didn't have the choice to keep both of them with me. And I was not knowing that it will create so much, but still, let the blessing flow. I'm feeling so blessed. I did not even notice that we already exceeded time. Thank you so much, Bhavna. Thank you so much for coming. I always see you inspiring us and creating some vibes in us so that we can even help each other. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you for all your love. Any other question if someone has, please, you can ask the question and we can help out. Or I can answer. Any questions that you would like to ask. End of the day is, I was sharing you one thing, that look, we have come here as this is a hostel and we have come here to perform the best. So be the best performer, whatever the best you can do. Because once we will go back, they will be asking us that, okay, what is your character report? How many people have you hurt? How many of them did you made annoyed? And how many of you had fight? So just be a normal person so that we can regularly connect each other. And people should not even think once when they want to connect with you. And they should openly ask, trust me, if you have that thing to help others, people will come to help you, or the divine or the universe will come forward to help you. Trust me, I have seen this miracle in my life. When I ask God, please help me out, they have helped me. Please watch my channel, The Asneha Show on YouTube. You can have all these videos. I'm putting more videos there, and I'll be doing live also soon. So we can plan. Please, Kashish, plan something, do we? Yes, we can do it without music as well. You just can keep on chanting. I love myself, I love myself, I respect myself, I am worthy, I am worthy. You can ask any of the sentence that you think that you need to work on. Just keep repeating, and repeat in a musical way. Like, I love myself, I love myself, I'm worthy, I'm so worthy, I am so worthy, I'm worthy of love, I'm worthy of love, I'm worthy of love, I love myself. So you can sing as well, so that's, be more creative, do something. Hi Kashish, you wrote I need your session in the morning. Yes, please, 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 anytime, I'm all there. I love my work. Yes, it is, it does. Just open your heart and start serving the universe. Trust me, you will see the whole universe will come to you and start serving you. What else we need? Isn't it? I'm feeling so many goosebumps. Anything, any other questions you have, or you want me to cover something else? If you need one more musical round, let me know. I'm worthy, I'm worthy, I am love, I am love, I am love, I am love, I'm worthy, I'm worthy, I am worthy, I am worthy. Allow your soul to sing it with you. Trust me, once you start singing with your soul, you will start living the best way of yourself. You will become a best version of yourself. Isn't it amazing? Isn't it beautiful that you will become your own best version? Just create that magical you. Just create that desire to be the best of you. Don't need to. I am the best of me. I am the best of me. I am the best of me. I love myself. I love myself. Do you love yourself? Do you love yourself? Do you love yourself? I love myself. I love myself. So take one more breath in and breathe out. One more time, breathe in, breathe out. And now, a final shot. Just close your eyes. And जहाँ से हमने शुरू किया था, वहीं पे पहुँचना है. And you just need to tell the whole body, I love you. I love you. You're the temple of my God. My God stays in you. Let's do it. All set? Yes, let's do it. Close your eyes or open your eyes. I love myself. I love my body. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love माई गॉड, आप ही मेरे भगवान का घर हो. आई लव माई सेल्फ. Imagine the little one of you is sitting in your heart and saying, I love you. I love you. आप ही का रूप आप ही के दिल के पास बैठ के कह रहा है आपके दिल को, मैं आपसे बहुत प्यार करता हूँ, मैं आपसे बहुत प्यार करता हूँ. आप बहुत वैल्यूएबल हो, आप बहुत वर्दी हो, आप बहुत वर्दी हो. You are worthy. You are worthy. I am worthy. You guys can speak. I am worthy. I am worthy. So today you need to make a promise with your own self that I am worthy. I love myself. These are the rules, these are the foundation rules for you. Once you will start writing it, you will be able to give unconditional love. You will be able to give a lot of energy to your work. You will be able to balance your work, your home, your kids, everyone. Trust me, enjoy this. This will create the best version of you. And I'm all there. If you think that you need me, I'm all there. You can book, you can connect, and we can regularly be in touch here as well. And we can create the new you. Isn't it amazing? Hi, yes, the vibrations coming out feels great. Yes, that's what everything is within us. So we need to create the best of us. Isn't it beautiful that when you create best of you? किसी से कंपटीशन करके हमने क्या करना है? Thank you so much दीक्षा to like it. आपने जो पसंद किया, मुझे बुलाया. Thank you so much for inviting me. I'm so blessed that you all invited me here, and I'm so happy that you really liked it. And trust me, we really can create really beautiful vibes to grow, but only with your initiative we can do. How many sessions have to be done normally? That depends person to person. अगर आपका कितना depth में है, क्या issue है, that all depends. You can connect me anytime, or you can personally connect with me. I do sessions like on coffee, like on Zoom. You can connect me and we can talk that how I can help you. And maybe if you don't even need session, half an hour I give free for anyone and everyone. So don't get worried. Anytime you need, please book an appointment and come. Right? And it will be a pleasure for me that if I can help out somehow, some way, because I know how it is important for us to help and serve each other. That's the passion. Yes, because this is so powerful, you can actually feel the sound of Om. Mhm. आई नो मैं जब भी उस तरफ जाती मकड़ोड़गंज धर्मशाला आई ऑलवेज प्रेफर टू बाय दीज बिग बिग बॉल्स सो to help myself, and now with all divine grace and your support, I'm able to help you and I'm able to create the new way of healing. I love this, and it has been magically working. How many of you really liked it? So just let me know how many of you really liked it. I am blessed to know you. Thank you so much, Bhavna. Thank you so much. It is your initiative that we could help out and connect millions of beautiful divas. Trust me, if I can be a support to bring the light from within of you, I'm all there for you. Trust me. And it is really powerful. We all need to support each other. We all need to bless each other. So I'm all there. I do 30-minute session free for everyone. So anyone wants to connect Bhavna, connect Kashish, and you guys can reach anytime. Thank you for liking it. Thank you so much. You've really supported me so well. I thought we'll do it for 30 minutes, but it's almost 1 hour now. Thank you so much, Maria. Thank you, Kashish. Thank you, the real women in you who's been supporting and who's been always thinking we are here to serve. We are the nature and we are the connectors between us and the divine and Mother Earth. Thank you so much for liking it. Please do let me know that how else I can help you with. Thank you, Kiran. I need one thing from you. Whatever you have, just help each day, just for 5 minutes. Either praise nature, any tree, bird, start connecting with them. Spend some time, 5 minutes at least. Start off with 5 minutes. Slowly and gradually make it 20 minutes and then 30 minutes. But speak to nature. Start feeding pigeons. Start feeding dogs, or maybe anything that you can serve. You can start giving water to the plants. Connect with nature. अगर आप नेचर के साथ कनेक्ट होते हैं तो नेचर हेल्प्स यू. और आज के टाइम में जो चल रहा है उस सब में जब आप नेचर को प्यार करने लगोगे, रिस्पेक्ट करने लगोगे, you will start feeling that nature is loving you. You can see the flowers behind me, the plants behind me, because they will become your reflection. I've seen people speaking to me, ma'am, your videos are with live gardens, with your plants. They actually support you. Trust me. Stop asking help from the people around you. Start energizing your energy from within. The more you will go within, and you will be able to create the powerful energy within yourself. I hope I could do the best for all of you. If you really liked it, let me know. And thank you so much for staying with me for at least 1 hour. Though I asked Kashish that we'll do it for 30 minutes. And now neither I feel like going, and nor I really want you to go. Thank you so much for giving me so much of love and care. Thank you everyone for coming and blessing me. So, one final round. We'll just repeat. I love myself, I'm worthy. I love myself, I'm worthy. I love myself, I'm worthy. With music, we'll chant and then we are done for the day. I love myself, I'm worthy. 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 I love myself, I am worthy. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Enjoy your day. And this is the time that you have all the healing within you. You just need to knock, knock, knock and start blossoming. Blossom. Look for the new desire. With this new desire, this music, this musical healing, I would like to take आज्ञा. अब मुझे आज्ञा दीजिए. This is Asneha, the new desire. Now you need to find out what is new you. What is the best version of you? Please do write me in the comment that how did you like this and how do you really using these words. I'm worthy, I love myself, I'm worthy, I love myself. Trust me, मुझे ये कहा जाता था अगर आप किसी को कुछ खिलाना चाहते हो या कुछ देना चाहते हो उसकी बजाय उसे वो ज्ञान दे दो, उसे वो चीज़ सिखा दो जिससे वो अपनी पूरी ज़िंदगी जी सके. That's the best way. If you know that these are the 2 sentences you have learned, please teach this to your kids, to your friends, at least 10 more people. Let them know that they need to speak this at least 21 times every day. I love myself, I am worthy. I love myself, I'm worthy. I love myself, I'm worthy. I'll explain in some other session that why do we need to say I'm worthy, I love myself. बिकॉज हम अपने आप को गिल्ट और रिग्रेट में ही ना रख लें, हम अपने आप को तोड़ते ना चले जाएं. अपनी वैल्यू करनी बहुत ज़रूरी है. With all my love, with all my gratitude to the universe, to all of you. Blessings. Enjoy. This is Asneha and you're watching The Asneha Show. Thank you so much, Kashish.